So do you also use Google Ads to get more leads for your own business? And are you still adding the Google Ad details manually in a Notion database? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Google Ads leads to Notion automatically. So like you, I also use Google Ads to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Google Ads, I want to add the details in my Notion database. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Google Ads and Notion, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. So okay, let's begin and create this amazing automation. So for that, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you're an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Go on that URL, and then in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, log in inside Pabbly Connect, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect and follow me. After coming on this window, I'll just let you know that this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Lead Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we have to copy this webhook URL and open our Google Ads. So as you can see that this is a test campaign which I am running. So I'm going to add a lead form in this campaign. So as you can see that my campaign is in draft mode, and let's say in this lead form, I'm going to select the details like the name, email, phone number, and then the company name. And now you're going to see that this is the lead form which I want to connect with my Pabbly Connect's workflow. So if you have already created a campaign, make sure that your lead form is already made, and now we're going to learn how to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. So you have to just scroll and go towards this lead delivery option, and over here it is asking for the webhook URL. So you have to paste the URL which you copied from the workflow over here. For the key, you can enter a test key and click on this send test data, and it is saying test data sent. So you have to open your workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response, this test data. So yes, you're going to see that over here is the company name, the phone number, the email address, and the rest of the details. So yes, you're going to see that these details are test details because my campaign is in draft mode and we captured this test data. But if you want live lead details, what you can do is you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait till you receive a new lead from your live campaign of Google Ad. And once you receive a new lead, automatically the details of the same will be captured over here as the webhook response, and your workflow is going to get triggered. Now after you capture this response, let's see how we're going to add these details in our Notion base. So to do this, we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Notion and select Notion. For the event, we have to select create database item and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, so go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Notion. And once you click on this connect with Notion, yes, you're going to see that Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So you have to give this permission only for a selective page for which you want to create this automation. So you have to go towards this select pages, then select the page right over here. So I'm going to first deselect all pages and I'm going to select only the page for which I want to create this automation, which is new lead details. If you wish, you can definitely select all the pages, and after selecting the page, you just have to click on this allow access. And once you click on this allow access, your Notion is connected with Pabbly Connect. You can give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now we have to select the database over here, and one by one we have to add all of these details in our database. But we are not going to add the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data have from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's the reason why we do mapping. So you have to keep in mind that you only have to map this string value, and after mapping all of these details, you have to click on this save and send test request. You have to map the details which you want to enter in your Notion, all right? And once you click on this save and send test request, you can see that we have received the positive response which says that we have successfully added these details in our Notion. So let's open our Notion, and you're going to see the details have been added over as the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number, and also you're going to see the company name. And these details are exactly the same details which we entered during the test submission, which we received from this test submission. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we are going to receive a new lead form entry from Google Ads, automatically the details will be added in our Notion base. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.